Development of early melee weapons demonstrates both practical experimentation and symbolic expression in material culture. Initially, cylindrical iron blocks affixed to handles were forged to serve as blunt force instruments against enemies. However, the round striking surface dispersed impact too widely, diminishing effectiveness. This limitation led to the refinement of quadrangular, sharp-edged forms, which concentrated force more efficiently, thereby enhancing destructive capacity. The emergence of this design marked the genesis of what later came to be identified as the Xianlong weapon. Further innovations sought to augment its power and durability. In certain accounts, meteoritic iron was incorporated as the weapon's core, encased in layers of high-carbon steel. Repeated forging produced intricate surface patterns, both strengthening the structure and improving shock resistance. The resulting weapon possessed significant armor-piercing potential while also embodying artistic craftsmanship. Given the considerable weight of the weapon, adjustments in balance became necessary. Designers modified its proportions by enlarging the base and tapering the head, thereby stabilizing handling and allowing precise maneuverability even within confined spaces. The ergonomic principle ensured that strikes could be delivered with accuracy and control. Technological ingenuity further advanced with the integration of mechanical components. Gear-driven vibration mechanisms were conceived to transmit oscillations through the shaft at high frequencies. These vibrations allowed the wielder to detect weaknesses in an opponent's armament through tactile resonance, enabling targeted strikes that could fracture enemy weapons at their structural vulnerabilities. Aesthetic and symbolic dimensions were also incorporated. Handles were often cast in the form of polished brass bamboo tubes, symbolizing resilience and longevity while providing a secure grip. The pommel was sometimes shaped into a miniature pagoda, imbuing the weapon with connotations of authority, spiritual protection, and artistic refinement. Thus, the so-called Kanglong Zan weapon exemplifies the intersection of functional engineering, martial application, and cultural symbolism. It stands as both a technological innovation in pre-modern armament and an artifact reflecting the aesthetic and spiritual values of its creators.